Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you enable the WhatsApp channel for your conversation AI bot in Go High Level. So this is a great feature for companies that are already using the WhatsApp feature to do their marketing as well as their customer care. And if you also use the conversation AI bot in Go High Level, now you can connect the two to ensure that you're fully using the AI capabilities to help answer questions faster and also convert more leads on autopilot. So let's take a look at my screen here and I'll show you how to set this up. All right, so the first thing you have to do in your Go Hello sub account is to make sure that you have WhatsApp connected, which you can find out by going to settings. And then if you click on WhatsApp right here, it will show you if your WhatsApp is already connected. If it is not, that you can of course connect it. It is a prerequisite for this. Once you have your WhatsApp set up, we're going to head over to the conversation AI tab right here. And here you can actually set up a new bot here. If you already have one set up like myself here, you can just click on that. Once it opens up under the supported communication channels, you can see that WhatsApp is now available. And you can see here that I already have that attached. So of course you can select multiple channels here. For now, I'm just going to give you a demo for the WhatsApp conversation AI. So I have that selected already. So let's go ahead and I'm going to turn this bot on and set this to autopilot. And then I'm going to hit on save here. And if we come back to one of the conversation AI chats here, you can see that we have a couple of WhatsApp messages here. Now this was before we turned on the conversation AI bot. So now I'm going to go ahead and send a WhatsApp message from my phone to this number. And now let's see if the conversation AI kicks in. So I'm just going to send a message right here, which we should see reflect in a moment here. So there we go. Now you will see that the bot will respond back in a few seconds. So it just takes a few seconds and we should have that message sent. And you can see, hey, what's on your mind today? You can also give feedback if this is accurate message or not. And you can also click on this button here to find out the details about the AI response info. And if you can give feedback here, that can help the bot to learn that this was a good response. Or you can give it a thumbs down if you didn't like the response and you want the bot to respond differently to queries like this. So now let's go ahead and send one more message here to see what the bot responds with. So I'm just going to go ahead and say, I am interested in your services. So let me just send that here and see what the bot comes up with. So it takes just a few seconds and now it should be responding any moment now. So let's just wait for that. And there it is. It says the cost for employment varies depending on the type. So of course, this is a good response, but I do want to give some more information in this response. And in order to do that, I'll just click on the thumbs down button here. And here I can edit the response. So instead of just saying the cost right away, I want to include what we do offer, which it did miss. So we will say we offer weight loss programs customized for each patient. And then it can say whatever it said afterwards. So now if I click on train bot here, now the bot will know that this is the response it should give the next time somebody asks that question. So this is how you can optimize your conversation AI bot for WhatsApp. Again, these features were not new. They were already on the SMS and other channels that I showed you in the video before, but now they're also available in WhatsApp. So if you do use WhatsApp to communicate to your customers in Go High Level, this is a great opportunity for you. So go ahead and set up a conversation AI bot for your WhatsApp, train and optimize it, and fully capitalize on this to ensure that you get the most out of this. That was all about this video. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.